So lately, I've been on some crazy micro RC kick. It first started with this crazy mini monster truck crawler, and then I got these wicked sweet drift cars. But then I found out Haiboxing got into the 1/43rd scale drifting game as well. So then I posted a poll asking you guys, which color should I get? You guys said get both because, hey, they're cheap enough, and, well, here they are. Wait. Did I say Haiboxing? Yes. The producer of some of the hottest selling RCs on the planet came out with this. All right, I am really excited to check out these drift cars from Haiboxing because they do make some of the best RC cars, or best selling, I should say, and they are pretty reliable. Let's see, we're gonna open up the box. First, you're greeted with an instruction manual along with some stickers. Then we have an accessory pack. Inside the accessory pack, they give you 4 of these obstacle discs so you can drift around them or create, a little mini racetrack. You just place them down like so. They also give you a Phillips screwdriver and a USB charging cable. Checking out inside the box, we can see our little drift car right here. And there it is. Wow, take a look at this thing. The body looks like it's liquid metal. It is incredible. Man, these things are really slick looking.
And here's the purple one. I did add the stickers to it to kind of break it up, but I'm definitely going to keep the green clean.
All right, let's see what else we got in the box. Looks like we just have a transmitter. This transmitter is very familiar to me. It comes included with the Haiboxing 18872 that I just showed you guys. So here we have for buttons, steering trim, steering dual rate, speed button, so low and high. And then we have steering reverse, along with the power on and off button. And then here we have channel A and B. So every time you turn on the transmitter, the gyro is not enabled. To enable it, you just click the channel A button right here. You do get an LED indication that tells you what sensitivity level you're on. So that's level 1. That's level 2. And that's level 3. And to shut off the gyro, you just click it one more time. And now it's off. The B button on the transmitter is for the headlights. So we see the headlights are on right now. You just hold down B and you shut them off. You hold it down again and you put them back on. Pretty cool. They also have indicators. Yes, I know. Not everybody's a fan of them. But the best part about them is they have a suspension. And most of the competition does not. All right, so let's see how these things do on my makeshift drift pad. Here's full power. Gotta have a lot of space for that. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, Drift King, baby. Yeah. So just from driving around for a couple minutes, I can tell these things have a lot of control. Probably more than the Jiabaile ones. Yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of control of these. I really want to take these things out somewhere, but I don't know where yet. Don't want to do the tennis court again.
Now, a lot of people have said they have problems doing donuts in both directions with the Jiabaile ones. So let's see how this one does. Woo!
We are doing donuts this way. And this way. Woo! Yeah, I like the control of these. Oh. Oh, and that's the battery.
That is one downside to these. They have 130 milliamp hour batteries. The Jiabaile ones have 200. How about some abandoned dine mall drifting?
The transmitter is for a bigger RC.
Oh, awesome.
I wish they made it a little bit smaller.
Yeah. No, I agree with you. So like the button, I wish there was just two buttons.
But then again,